listen, y'all. My cousin did this. Let me see y'all. This came all the way from America. The girl had made her stuff, like literally sat there and handmade this. Look at that right there. Y'all see her working? That's my cousin, y'all. That's my family. Anyway, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited because that girl not normal. Y'all, she put so much tape on the box. I ain't done yet. I'm still unboxing. I'm back tired. But let's continue. Let's continue. You guys, y'all know I'm a germaphobe, so this box is not going on my chair. It's gonna stay on the floor, and my back is gonna continue hurting. Shit! Let me take this off. Because y'all probably like, why that girl got her bonnet on? And why is this camera acting a fool, y'all? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Now, ooh, she made me one of these. Let's see. Oh! The sun ain't got issue on me. I'm gonna let y'all know where y'all could order these. I'm gonna put her Pinterest link and all her links in the bottom of the video so y'all can see this. Ooh, I love it. I can wear this with pink, white, green, all the colors, all white, pink and white, green, green and white, green and pink. Don't play with her. I love it. As a matter of fact, I'm about to wear one of these today. Oh, she gave me some hair bows, y'all. Let's put them on. Oh, shit. Don't play with my family, y'all. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. I might keep this on today, but it's raining, so I wonder if you know what? Let me show y'all what I'm about to wear today. Y'all gonna see it too. This one right here. This one. This is what we're wearing today. Y'all, she made this for me just as a present to show her appreciation. And because if you gonna shop from everyone else and your family actually made this, she made this by hand, y'all. As y'all can see in the video right there, she's actually sitting in her house and knitting it. But my biggest, this is what I ordered. Oh, I ain't even see this, y'all. I ain't never gonna finish with the surprises. I guess this a hairband. So when I'm working out there, I want to go to the gym or I'm having a bad hair day, I guess we put in the band on. Look at this. And she knits all of this, y'all. She said she wanted to get rid of the red, so she just made me everything. But this right here, don't play with her. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. The upside down. Hold on. Let me turn it around. OMG. My baby did this, y'all. Let me show y'all. Oh, gosh. I am so. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. She did this. She did that. Look at this. It's my favorite blanket, my favorite color. She got me read it out. Let me spread it out for y'all so y'all can see it. This is the full blanket. I have it spread it out on my huge couch. And she does it professional when she's done. You even have her tag on it. That's her tag with her brand, y'all. Autism Mom and Travel. That's a brand. You will see the link in the bottom in the description on this reel. Look at that. I love it.